Intelligence manifests itself in various ways, and often the sharpest minds keep some secrets. We will explore 10 tips that intelligent individuals often do not openly disclose. These little secrets can provide a fascinating glimpse into the brilliant mind and its strategies for navigating the world. 1. Silent management of failure. A smart person understands that failure is inevitable, but instead of showcasing their setbacks, they manage them silently. They use each failure as a learning opportunity without boasting about the difficulties. 2. Continuous skill development. Although they may be experts in various areas, brilliant minds are constantly seeking to learn. They don't always reveal the breadth of their skills, preferring to keep some abilities in the shadows to surprise when necessary. 3. Problem-solving strategies. Intelligent individuals often do not share all the details of their problem-solving strategies. They prefer to present brilliant and effective solutions without revealing the complexity behind their decisions. 4. Selective and strategic readings. While they love knowledge, intelligent minds often keep their reading choices to themselves. They may have a select list of strategic readings that feed their intellect. 5. Powerful and strategic networks. Not all connections are openly revealed. Intelligent people build powerful networks of strategic connections that may not be evident to everyone. They prioritize quality over quantity. 6. Tolerance for ambiguity. The ability to deal with ambiguity is a characteristic of intelligent minds. They don't always reveal their discomfort with uncertainty, preferring to project confidence and security. 7. Long-term planning. Long-term planning is a key strategy, but intelligent individuals often do not disclose all the details of their future goals. They prefer to work diligently in silence until the results speak for themselves. 8. Simplicity in communication. Despite possessing profound knowledge, intelligent individuals often choose to communicate simply and clearly. They don't reveal the complexity of their thinking unless necessary. 9. Intrinsic self-motivation. Self-motivation is an internal engine. Intelligent minds don't always reveal the source of their intrinsic drive, preferring to keep their motivation as personal fuel. 10. Resilience and adaptability. Although they face challenges, intelligent individuals don't always share every detail of their resilience and adaptability. They prefer to demonstrate strength rather than talk about their internal struggles. Conclusion. The path of a brilliant mind is often filled with unique strategies and approaches. While these tips may not be openly shared, they offer a fascinating insight into the intelligent mind and its meticulous approach to facing the world. Intelligence at times lies in the ability to handle and wisely apply these secrets. Hey friends, don't forget leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Greetings!